Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, April 30th, and we are here to cover the cryptocurrency prices in the last 24 hours because we had a huge 24 hours. I've talked about this before, that Bitcoin has resistance points at each $1,000 mark, but in the last 24 hours, it blew through the entire $8,000 category, and Bitcoin is currently up 16.8% at $9,200.54. Yesterday, when I went over the prices, it just creeped over $7,800. That's an increase of $1,400. Let's check out the rest of the market. Ethereum is up 12% at $223.50. Dash up 5.7%, so not so much on the Dash side, $87.67. And Litecoin up 8.5% at $50.09. You have to join us later today when we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours to find out why this is happening. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.